Hello guys, thanks for clicking the video. This is NHS Covid-19 tester. The pack coming with 5 testing sticks like that, and here is the testing kit, and my result is negative. Only one line we have it, and the line is stay with the C. In case of positive Covid-19 situation, we should have at least 2 lines. The line will stay on the C and T, and the sample should be released with S, this one. Here is the manual for the NHS tester. It's coming with sticks, sample, and the plastic sample paste, and also this is the kit. After 5-10 seconds, the line will stay at positive and negative. We are in Trip in Tehran, and we are going to test the Covid-19 situation. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.